As we continue to see those images, especially now that we're seeing all the devastation. Of course, there's a lot of focus on Camp Mystic, I think because the number of girls who were there in the hundreds, but also because it involves children. But there's so much more damage all around and a lot of other missing people. Just down the road from Camp Mystic in Hunt, Heart of the Hills is also facing a lot of tragedy. The camp's director died while reportedly attempting to get her staff to safety.
And apparently she did the same thing in the '87 floods. KENS 5 reporter Megan Reina is live tonight after seeing the damage with her own eyes. Megan.
Alicia, Sarah, it was tough to take in. Right now, I want to mention I am outside the command center in Ingram. This is where they are making those difficult but important decisions on this rescue and recovery effort that's ongoing. But earlier, we were there in Hunt. Let's take that video showing you more of that damage of the Heart of Hills camp. Buildings destroyed, debris scattered everywhere. I did speak just briefly with a staff member who told me they're just trying to process this tragedy as best they can. It will be a long road ahead to get this campsite back up and running, and they'll have to do it without the heart of their camp, their leader and director, Jane Ragsdale. Now, Ragsdale was a camper back in the 70s. She became the camp director in 1988. We were told by a parent of two camp counselors that they believe that she was swept away by floodwaters while she was making sure that all of her staff got to safety. Now, while we were out there, we also spotted a few volunteers just across the road, and I went over and I spoke with them. They're a couple, they have family in the area, and they were searching for bodies. Take a listen to what they had to say about what they were seeing.
My entire childhood was spent out here, so it's a lot of destruction. Most of the camps are gone, so like Hunt's gone. So
yeah, Hunt is gone. Hunt is really damaged, and it's going to take a long time to rebuild. But the thing that we've seen already from this community is that people are ready. They're coming together. They're going to do what they can to help this community here in Kerr County. Of course, we're staying on top of all these developments. We're going to head over and try to meet up with Meredith so we can continue to follow the developments of that rescue and recovery mission there, specifically in Hunt. But for now, reporting live, Megan Reina, KENS 5.